Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel RK Bangari. Today's video, how to record your iPhone or iPad screen on your MacBook PC. This will allow you to capture some live free silky smooth iPhone coverage which you can share with other people. You just need iPad with iOS 8 or later version and MacBook and lightning cable to connect both the devices, iPad and MacBook. It's very simple process and no need of installing any software. Top right corner, click on search bar and enter QuickTime Player. When you see QuickTime Player on top left, click on File and then New Movie Recording. Then boom, you can see iPad screen on your Mac. This QuickTime Player comes pre-installed with all the Macs, so you don't need to worry about installing this in your machine. If you want to record it, here you can see drop down and select Ravi's iPad, and of course I named my iPad as Ravi's iPad. And microphone, your choice to select a microphone from internal or iPad. I choose iPad and drop down again. You will see quality high and maximum, but I prefer maximum. If you want to save the file, just click on to X mark and you'll be getting drop down and export as you just name it as a demo and then save it in a desktop and click on save button. Now open that file, it's all yours.